Hey traders, it's Jeffrey from Ninjacators. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily trade currency pairs on NinjaTrader, how you can get free Forex data to practice with, and where to open a demo Forex broker account to get started, as well as a live account when you're ready. If you've been interested in trading the global currency, excuse me, if you've been interested in trading the global currency market or the Forex market, which stands for foreign exchange, you've invested time learning how to use your NinjaTrader platform and all of its features, then this is the video for you. The Forex market is the biggest financial market worldwide and trades over $7.5 trillion daily. The biggest Forex trading market is in London, followed by New York, and so the best time to trade is when volume and liquidity is greatest, which is when both London and New York are open at the same time. And that's between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York or Eastern Time. Now, the first thing you need to know is that your current trading account, whether it's a self-funded account or any of the prop firm accounts, is only going to let you trade futures. And while there are futures contracts on some of the foreign currencies, like the euro or the Japanese yen, there are only 7 of those. But there are dozens and dozens of currency pairs, like the euro dollar, the EUR USD, or the dollar yen, the USD JPY. You can choose from any of those different currency pairs. However, with a Forex trading account, you can trade any of those major pairs, minor pairs, even gold, silver, and Bitcoin against the US dollar. So, how do you get started? Well, first, I suggest you load some historical market data, replay data from Forex pairs to get a feel for trading Forex. You don't need to open a Forex account to do this. You can download end-of-day data from Kinetic, and that's a connection built right into your NT8. Here, let me show you. If I pull down my control panel and I look under connections, if you choose the Kinetic end of day, you don't need an account, you don't need to do anything, just click on it, and it will connect directly to kinetic.com. See, I'm connected there. And then, of course, you go into your tools, click historical data, and as soon as that window opens, you choose Get Market Replay Data, select whichever pair that you want, like the EUR USD, double click on Forex, and choose whatever day. Today's the 21st, so if I clicked on the 20th, it would download yesterday's data, and I could do market replay and practice trading. Next, Forex pairs are typically spoken of in 2 categories. There are the major pairs and there are the minor pairs, okay? The major pairs, there are 7 of them, are all pairs that have the US dollar in them, okay? The Euro USD is the most heavily traded. The pound dollar, the dollar yen, the dollar Swiss franc, the dollar Canadian, the Australian and US, and the New Zealand US. But there are dozens and dozens of minor pairs that are pairs from mixed countries that do not contain the US dollar. You can look and review all of these to follow trading strategies and choose which one you want to trade. Next, once you're ready for real-time data, you can sign up for a demo account at Forex.com. Forex.com is currently the only broker in the United States that you can trade Forex with on NinjaTrader. There are some heavy new regulations with Forex trading in the US, and it's to protect the consumer. So Forex.com is the biggest and the best. Go right to them. As soon as you're ready, you can open a demo account there, and then after you practiced, you can even open or fund a live account with as little, I believe, as $100. Okay? Now, Forex pair trades are taken in lots, not contracts. And price moves are counted in pips and pipettes or points and we can easily convert all of those to dollars and points, and even set ATMs that we're used to in NinjaTrader. But we do it specifically for the Forex market, and I'll show you that in a moment. But first, let's take a look at a typical Forex quote, okay? The price is usually going to be a 1, followed by 4 decimals, and then an apostrophe and a 5th decimal, okay? So, for example, if we entered long right here at 1.0821 apostrophe 8, and it moved up to 1.0822 apostrophe 8, that's a 1 pip move, okay? 10 points, 1 pip, okay? Just like, so a pip is like a dime, and a point is like a penny, but don't use those currency values, okay? But there are 10 points or 10 apostrophe moves for every 1 pip move, okay? Now let's talk about lot size, but hold on, before we do that, let me pull this down here so that you can take a look at it and even screenshot it, okay? So the 4th digit is the pip. The 4th is the pip, okay? It's a little different with everything in the yen because of the conversion rate. With respect to the yen, it's the 2nd, but the last is still the point or pipette. Okay? Now, back to the lot size, okay? One of the main differences in trading between futures and Forex is that instead of trading contracts in futures like you're used to, in Forex, we trade lots. A standard lot, let's get this down over here. A standard lot has 100,000 currency units. You don't have to pay attention to those right now. Just know that that's the multiplier. And that standard lot, every 1 pip move, or 10 points, remember there's 10 points to every pip, every 1 pip move is a $10 move. Now, Forex pair moves in a day can be 50 to 100 or more pips, okay? So keep in mind, a standard lot can be a $500 to $1,000 trade a day, but there's more risk involved. The good news is that while you're learning, you can limit your risk by trading in much smaller lot sizes. You can trade a mini lot, which is a 1/10 of a standard lot, 0.1, and in that one, a 1 pip move is only $1. A micro lot, 1 pip move is 10 cents. And in a nano lot, a 1 pip move is just a penny. You can trade in any decimal multiple of any of those standard lots. Now, we can also use ATMs when we're trading in Forex. For example, let's go ahead and open NinjaTrader. And if we see our Forex ATM strategy, okay, the only difference is we are using order quantities of those currency units. Remember, standard lot, a single standard lot is 100,000 currency units, okay? We can do multiples of those. We just change it to 100,000 in each, okay? And if we put it in currencies, we'll put that in, but we can even use pips to monitor our trades. And then we set the stop loss and the profit accordingly. And as an example, let's just do, let me make sure I'm in sim. If we went long, you would see okay, 100,000, and the price will move in the currency unit depending on how many pips were moved. And of course, you can set your stop loss and move in NinjaTrader just as you're used to, as I said. Okay, let's go ahead and close that out. Okay, now let's see what a typical trade looks like. Let's say I'm watching the euro dollar earlier this morning, and I am following price right up to this big supply zone, and as it comes down, it touches the next supply zone down, and I'm looking for a retest of that zone to get in and go short. So here's what I did. I waited for that zone to retest, get in short, take it all the way down to the next zone, which is a demand zone, and that is 49 pips, 49.2, okay, for about $500 on a full lot. And what's my risk? Well, I would have put my stop just behind that zone that I got in on, barely 50, 60 bucks, okay? Very low risk, nice, spectacular reward, okay? That's what you can see in Forex. Let's take a look at another one. Let's say that I'm watching the yen, okay? It is falling, 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 hits that beautiful demand zone. I'm looking for a retest. I've got a limit order here to go long. Let's go ahead and look at it. I go long on the retest, and boom, from here straight up to the next zone, I've got 67 pips in just a few hours' time. What's my risk? Barely $70, $80, okay? That's how great it is to trade Forex. Now, everything else is exactly the same in NinjaTrader, okay? The indicators that you're used to, supply and demand, oscillators, pending orders, everything else you're used to doing on NinjaTrader is the same when you trade Forex as when you were trading futures. So really there's no difference other than opening up the world to currency pair trading and the potential huge trades that you can make every single day. So that's it, traders. Download some Forex data. Take a look at some of my other videos on Forex strategies. Open some charts. Practice taking some trades. See what you can earn trading Forex. Try it with multiples of 100,000 for standard lots or multiples of 10,000 for mini lots and then or micro lots, etc. Okay? And once you feel comfortable, take the plunge and open a Forex demo, Forex.com demo account, and even open a funded account when you think you're ready, giving yourself much more currency trading flexibility. Good trading, traders, and don't forget, like and subscribe down below. Look for links about our different programs like the Ninjacator Fast Track program, where I do live sessions twice a week. Okay? Hopefully, we'll see you there.